In this video, I am going to show you how to create an AI video in Canva. For this, first, you want to open any browser. Once the browser is open in front of you, here we will just type in the search bar Canva. After typing Canva, just press the enter button, and Canva will open in front of you. Once Canva is open, here you can see this is Canva. And today, we will see how I can create an AI video in Canva. For this, first of all, you want to click on Create a Design at the top right corner of your PC screen. Click on it. After clicking, new options will be opened in front of you. In these options, we just want to click on Video. After clicking, a new tab will be open, and after some loading, it will be properly open in front of you. Hey, you can see this new tab of Canva has been opened in front of you. Then, on the left side of your canvas, just go down. You will see a button of apps right here. Click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will be open in front of you. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type right here Magic Media. After typing Magic Media, just hit the enter button, and the options may appear in front of you in a few seconds. Hey, you can see there is a first option. You will click on Magic Media. After clicking, that kind of format will be open in front of you. Here, we can easily generate images and videos on Canva. In this images portion, we can easily generate images after typing anything right here. If I click on videos, after clicking on videos, that kind of format will be open in front of you. In this format, just type anything right here, and a video will be created by Canva. If I click on Try an Example, you can see there is regenerated text from Canva. If you want to try this app, you can generate it. If you don't like this, you can generate it again. So just click on Try Another, and it will create another model for you. If you wanted to create a video by a short prompt, so let's remove this and write your prompt. My prompt is a ladybug on a leaf by using a macro lens. After typing that, just hit the Generate Video button. After hitting the generation of video, the video will start generating. It will take not much time for generation. Now, you can see your video has been generated. And if you click on it, after clicking on the screen of your laptop, just right-click on that video. In this option, just click on Set as Background. After clicking, your video will be on the full page. If you wanted to add any text to that video, let's go to the left side and type text. After that, that kind of window will be open in front of you. And here, we will just click on Add. After clicking, that kind of option will be open in front of you. Just wanted to change it. So remove it and then write Ladybug. After writing Ladybug, hey, you can see Ladybug has been written on your video. Just wanted to drag it to the top left corner. So let's click on it and then drag it to the top left corner of your screen. If you wanted to change the color of that text, go to the upper side of your canvas. And then, you will see a button of text color. Click on it. After clicking, you can easily change your text color. Click on any text and your text color will be changed. If you wanted to put animation on your text, go to the upper side of your canvas. Here, you will see a button of Animate. Click on it. Hey, you can see there is an option for animation for your video. Click any animation. Like that, I am clicking on that animation. After clicking, that effect will be applied to your text. So let's play the video. Click on that button. After clicking, the video will start. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.